friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to another weight loss video. Today we're going to be talking about my workout journey then to now, how I started working out, what I was able to do at the beginning, and what has led me to where I'm at now, my current goals. So many of you have asked me for this video. I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I have to take a second to thank our sponsor, a very special sponsor, Trainwell. If you've been here for a while, you know that I've tried a little bit of everything when it comes to exercise, which is what we're gonna be talking about in today's video. When I first started on my weight loss journey, I was focused on literally just moving my body. I walked a lot. Then I started trying different workout programs at home. I bought dumbbells, bands, I tried to follow online workouts, and honestly, all of those things helped me. The hardest part for me was never about finding the workouts. It was figuring out what I should be doing next and actually pushing myself enough to see progress. And right now we're living in this world where AI can create literally anything. You can ask it for recipes, meal plans, workout plans. You can have a complete fitness plan generated in about 5 seconds. But here's the thing, a workout plan isn't the hard part. Actually sticking with it is. Because life changes. Some weeks you're super exhausted. Some weeks you're sore. Some weeks you're traveling. Some weeks you're juggling kids and work and sports and everything. A prompt can't understand your life. And that's honestly why Trainwell has been such a different experience for me. Instead of just giving me another auto-generated workout plan, they actually matched me with a real life personal trainer. Her name is Chris, and I absolutely adore her. When we first talked, she wanted to know everything. My goals, my schedule, how long I wanted my workouts to be, exercises I enjoy and exercises I hate. She wanted to know about my family. She wanted to know about my age, where I am hormonally, what my sleep situation looks like. She didn't build a workout for someone, she built it for me. I've been using Trainwell now for almost 2 months, and the difference is not the workouts, it's Chris. And I'm gonna try to get through this without getting emotional. She checks in with me constantly. She sends me video messages almost every single day. She celebrates my wins. She notices when things are getting too easy and she ups the weights before I ever would have done it for myself. And when I tell her I really like an exercise or I really don't, she listens. Every workout begins to feel so incredibly customized because she remembers all of those conversations. That kind of accountability is never something I've ever received from an app. There have been so many times where she has encouraged me to push myself further than I ever would have done on my own. And almost every time I finish the workout thinking I never would have done that for myself. Sometimes all we need is another person believing we're capable before we can believe it in ourselves. And I think that's what surprised me the most. Trainwell isn't replacing my workouts, it's making me actually show up. I have been consistently getting stronger. I'm lifting heavier than I was a couple months ago. I'm feeling way stronger and more confident in the gym. And I genuinely look forward to seeing Chris's message because it feels like someone is genuinely invested in how I'm doing. Not a chatbot, a real person. The Trainwell app connects directly to my watch and Chris can actually see how quickly I am doing the exercises. So when I'm trying to rush through my hammer curls, she reminds me to slow down. And like I already mentioned, when she sees that things are getting a little too easy, she bumps up the weight without me ever having to ask. At the end of each workout, I can give her detailed feedback, literally rep for rep to let her know how I felt, whether I needed to increase or decrease the weight. My favorite part is when she celebrates my new PRs. Just last week, she upped my Romanian deadlifts to 85 pounds. That was gonna be a new PR for me, a new personal record. She reminded me that it was a new personal record and encouraged me to give it a go. She believed that I could do it, and I did. And as soon as I was done with the reps, she reminded me to give her feedback so she knew where to go from there. Everything about Trainwell is so incredibly personalized. I also love that I can pull up the calendar and see that little tiny dumbbell on each day of the week. Feels good to see that I am exercising consistently. And I appreciate that I can give Chris the heads up of what my week's gonna look like. So if I need to make some changes, there are backup workouts, extra workouts. And when I was just in Ohio for our 3-day music festival, I let her know that I wasn't sure what the workout situation was gonna look like. So she took all my workouts off, put them all in the extras so that I was still able to work out at my leisure. And that kind of personalization is everything. If you've ever downloaded workout app after workout app and stopped using them just a couple weeks in, then you understand what I'm talking about. I don't think another generic workout plan is what we need. We need accountability and we need encouragement. We need someone who actually knows our name and cares if we show up. And that is exactly what TrainWell has become for me. If you'd like to give it a try for yourself, you can start a 14-day free trial of TrainWell using the link at the top of my description box. You'll take a quick quiz, you'll get matched with your own personal trainer, and they'll build a plan that's actually based on your life, not just a generic template. And don't forget to scan the QR code here on the screen if you're watching from your TV. Again, I'll have everything linked for you at the very top of my description box, as well as a pinned comment. You can get started with your 14-day free trial, and I'm here to tell you this is going to blow your mind. This is unlike any other app you've ever used. And after using TrainWell, I truly do believe that some things just have to stay human, and I really think fitness is one of them. I want to personally thank Chris for coming beside me in my fitness journey. I am feeling stronger than ever. Thank you again to TrainWell for sponsoring today's video, and let's go ahead and get into it. So one of the questions I get asked most often, almost every single day, is how did you get to where you are? What are you actually doing for workouts, especially since my workout routine today doesn't look anywhere near what it did when I first started. And I think sometimes when you see someone working out consistently or lifting heavier weights, you only see where they're at now. You don't necessarily see where they started, and I definitely did not start here. I started here. I didn't wait until I was in a smaller body to start moving my body. I started here. When I first started trying to introduce exercise into my daily routine, I was honestly too heavy to do most traditional workouts. I weighed in at 266 pounds at my heaviest, and I'm only 5'3". I have pretty bad arthritis in my hands and my feet, so I had to start with what I could do. And that meant being honest with myself, putting aside the shame, and just looking for strategies to get some movement in every single day. If you've been around my channel for a while, you've probably heard about the app WalkFit. That's how I started. It is an app you have to pay for, but basically what it did was allow for me to walk in place. It had arm movements that I would use as well, and it allowed for me to get my steps in and get my daily movement, but in a low impact way. I also had a recumbent bike at home, so the days that my feet were hurting too much, I would use that. And honestly, that's where I started. Walking, riding my bike, and honestly, just moving my body more than I had been. I wasn't trying to become a weightlifter. I wasn't following some perfect, fitness plan. I honestly just wanted to get back into the routine of moving my body again. And I think that is so important to talk about, because you do not have to start where someone else is. You start where you are. As I started getting stronger and I started to lose weight, I wanted to experiment and try new things. That's where I kind of entered my random workout era. I would literally just search workouts on YouTube or on the website Get Healthy UTV and just do whatever I was capable of that day. Sometimes it was cardio, sometimes it was strength training, sometimes it was a completely random workout that I would probably never do again. There was definitely no master plan happening at that time, but I was moving, I was learning, and most importantly, I was learning that I actually liked working out, and I was trying different things. Eventually, I wanted to start adding in weights. I was feeling stronger and more confident, and I wanted to actually see some change in my body. But it's important to note that I did not go out and buy an expensive gym membership or this huge home gym. I started small. I bought most of my weights on Facebook Marketplace and places like TJ Maxx and Home Goods, and I started very light, sometimes literally with just body weight. I was not trying to lift heavy at all. At the beginning, I was literally just trying to learn the movements, figuring out what I liked, and honestly just trying to get comfortable with strength training. If you're new to it, it can be very intimidating at the beginning, so I watched a lot of videos to learn form and technique. And somewhere along the lines, in the last year, working out became less about losing weight and more about getting strong. And that's when we made the decision to start working on building our home gym. As strength training became a bigger part of my everyday routine, it was time to start looking into some more options. That's when we decided to invest in a Smith machine. And I wholeheartedly recognize that that is not something that everyone can do, and it might be a more economical choice to join a gym where they have machines like that. For us, it made sense to purchase the Smith machine and start working on a home gym. So we did that. We started investing in heavier weights, and slowly our little collection of random Target, TJ Maxx, Facebook Marketplace weights turned into a little collected home gym that we have now. And that's honestly where my workouts really started to change, because my goal shifted from, losing weight and being in a calorie deficit to wanting to actually put on on muscle and change my body composition. I started following a bunch of fitness people on social media, and I did start to see some progress. I did start to see some movement. However, I still felt like I was in that random workout era. I didn't really know what I was doing, and I was finding that I was working out based on my mood, not based on progress or pushing myself. And that actually brings me to what I'm doing now. And I've been doing it now for almost 2 months, and I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing and that I gave it a good try before talking about it. I didn't want to make that mistake again. But I have been working with a personal trainer through the app Trainwell. I already talked about them earlier in today's video, and I want to talk more about them now. And I think this is the piece that I was missing, because yes, technically I could find a million workouts online. I could pull up YouTube. I could ask an app to give me exercises. I could use AI. But what was missing was a person who actually knew me and my goals and who was going to hold me accountable and be my cheerleader. So with Trainwell, I am currently working with a real personal trainer who creates workouts for me. She makes me a weekly schedule, a weekly calendar. We talk almost daily. She gives me feedback about my workouts. Her name is Chris, and she's wonderful. I already talked about her earlier in today's video. I adore her. We are similar in age. We both have a lot of kids. We both are going through perimenopause, and it's great that she understands where I'm at and meets me there. But she also is so great at pushing me. She knows what equipment I have at home. She knows what exercises I like and I don't like, and she still puts the ones I don't like in there, like the Bulgarian split squats. And what I love is that she actually listens when I give her feedback. If something isn't working for me, we change it. For example, when she put in the Bulgarian split squats, originally she had me using weights. I really struggled and they were hurting my legs and making it hard to work out the rest of the week. So she took the weights away and we just did body weight. And my favorite thing is that when something's getting too easy, she notices first and she bumps it up for me before I even have to ask. Because let's be honest, sometimes we won't ask. If I'm ready to push harder, she pushes me, and that has honestly been the biggest change, because I don't have to stand in the gym and think, okay, what am I doing today? I open my app and it's all right there for me. So right now, my goal is strength training and building healthy, lean muscle. Strength training is a huge part of my routine. I am currently strength training 4 days a week. I am lifting significantly heavier than when I started, and we're using progressive overload, so I am increasing that weight over time. And honestly, that's probably the biggest change from when I started working out to now, is having someone there to push me when I don't want to push myself, because it can be really hard, especially because the scale right now is going in the opposite direction of where it's been going for the last 2 years. I am actually putting weight on, which has been a little bit of a mind, you know what, because as someone who battles with body dysmorphia, I struggle when I see the scale going up. But I'm trying to remember that lean, healthy muscle, you know what I mean, is not a free commodity. I have gained inches in my glutes. I've gained inches in my arms, you know what I mean? But my clothes are still fitting the same, if not better. I'm still wearing the same 4 to 6 size pants, the same small, sometimes extra small, in shirts and sweaters. I still feel confident in a bathing suit, so I know that these changes are happening. I need to just not pay such close attention to that number on the scale. So before I was exercising, now I'm training. And I don't mean the way, you know, an athlete trains. I mean, there's progression, there's a goal, there's a coach helping me, and I genuinely have been loving seeing how much stronger I'm getting every day. But I also think it's really important, and I want to say this loud and clear because I know that somebody watching this is at the beginning of their journey. Please do not look at the weights that I'm lifting or the exercises that I'm doing now or where you have to start. I didn't. I started on a recumbent bike because that's what my body could handle at the time. I walked, I did random YouTube workouts. I bought little weights whenever I could, and then I added more. I got a little stronger. I added a little more. And it's just so important to remember that this has happened over years, not days, not months, not weeks. You don't need a Smith machine. You don't need a whole at-home gym. You don't need to be lifting heavy weights on day one. You just need somewhere to start, and then you build from there. Because, and I'm gonna get emotional, because if you had shown that version of me sitting on the recumbent bike, that I would be lifting weights today and excited to work out, I don't know that I would have believed you, but I am So freaking proud of her for starting because she got me here. Can't even get through a video talking about workouts without getting choked up. You guys know. I'm a big baby. So that's my workout journey from start to finish. Hopefully this answered some questions, gave you some inspiration, motivation. If you have any questions, let me know. You can leave them down in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them for you. I appreciate you guys coming along with me on this journey. You guys have been the most incredibly supportive group of people ever. I'm so incredibly lucky to have you. I hope that you have felt some inspiration and motivation from me as well. Don't forget to check out Train Well. The link is at the top of my description box. That's going to get you a 14-day free trial. Thank you again, Train Well, for not only partnering with me in today's video, but down in my gym every day. If you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to get subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, my friends.